That's a blue one right there. So what Wendy and I have found here, we found some parrots. And I think they're nesting in that tree. Where'd he go? I see him right there. Isn't that cool?
Oh, here comes another one.
Green one. So that's a blue one right there.
Yeah.
You know what? Of all the years I've been here, I've never seen those before. Look at that. See him in there?
Yeah, he's on the branch.
Here he is. There's a green one up above.
He's gonna go in the hole. He's gonna go in that hole.
There he is, right. There he is, climbing up the side of the tree. Where is he? I can't see him.